clip the wing, we would check if there were no blood feathers, which there seems to not be. And then we would clip right where the first feather starts. Right there. If we come in a bit, yeah, we can see exactly where we should clip the wing, which is right there.